Okay, so here's another really good strategy for those of you selling CARRD marketing services to clients. Step one is you're going to create a course, a free course that is going to actually walk your clients through the process of setting up a CARRD page, setting up an email capture page on the CARRD landing page, and finally, incorporating testimonials using the script that we've covered in previous lessons. And then essentially, all you're going to do is email or do outreach to clients that are in your target audience, and you're going to give them the free course, which is going to tell them how they can maximize their brand, their business, their restaurant, their realty company, their CPA, financial advisory, etc., using testimonials and social media landing pages using your process. You give them access for free. There are, of course, 95% of the folks will have no idea actually how to implement this. So you'll have a certain percentage of people who will get very excited taking the course. It's free. You're going to offer, you'll have affiliate links in there to the testimonial service as well as to CARRD. And some folks will click on those links and you'll make free money from those as affiliate commissions. And a certain percentage of the others will ask to hire you to actually procure the service for them. Very simple, very easy, very ethical. And you can start that today.